Hello everyone! I'm feeling so much better than I have in the past couple days. Yeah. That being said, I want to review this stuff because it's cute and I want to wear it already. So, here we go. Do the YouTubey things before we start. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the good stuff. And of course, social's always going to be on the screen in the beginning and sometimes at the end. I sometimes forget, but let's get right into it. Bam! We're going to be looking at Animal Crossing's collaboration with Puma specifically, which I thought was very interesting. They came out with like a whole apparel line, like, lots of shoes, all that good stuff. Here, we have this cute little blue sweater. Yo, can you recycle this plastic? Anyways, unlike my other videos where I will usually talk about the price at the end, I'm gonna talk about it now through every item because they're kind of trifling and that's part of the reason why I didn't get it in the beginning. So let's talk about it. Here we have, does it even say what it is? It's the Puma Animal Crossing, it's a t-shirt? Light sky, so it's like a little baby blue. And it's $50! That's the original price. What the damn hell? $50 for a t-shirt? Like, get the hell out of here. But here's what it looks like. This one I did get in size... Oh no, I got it in extra large. Well, GG, I guess. Yeah, I was supposed to get this in large. It's really cute. I didn't know it was a t-shirt. I thought this was a crew neck because of the price, $50, but... Anyways, here it is, and it's got Isabelle at the very front, and you've got the Pumas here at the side of it, which is really cute actually. What the hell? And it is a long sleeve. I didn't notice, by the way, that it has like a little tiny leaf embroidered at the bottom. That's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. And then the material feels really thin. It's not see-through thin, but it's pretty thin. And then there's no design in the back or anything. It's 70% cotton and 30% polyester. So, in case you would like to see that, that is right there. Another thing to note here is that the collar has, I think it's such a cute detail. It has the band and it says Puma and it has a little Animal Crossing leaf and it has the Animal Crossing colors. And it goes, it doesn't even go all the way around. Stop. 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 What is this? What the damn hell? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's $50, but it's fine. It's fine. I did not buy it for $50. Again, I did get it on sale, so the price for that was $34. I did not buy it for full price. And I'm glad I didn't, if I'm being honest. Next item! I took it out of the plastic because it's just easier. Animal Crossing Sweatpants Phantom Black Phantom Noir. And this was for the small price of $70. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be harping on price the whole time. I'm sorry in advance, but it did kind of bug me, not gonna lie. The front is pretty cool actually. It has like the cute little Puma logo with Tom Nook or Timmy or Tommy. And it's kind of sucks because I thought it'd be like embroidered for so much damn money, but it's not. It's just like I forgot what it's called, but it's just like when you iron it on or something, or you apply heat to leave it on there. Which is annoying to wash and everything too, because you have to be like hella more careful. The pockets, by the way, I thought I would, like, I kind of really want to show you. First of all, they're like hidden, but then they also have like this little zipper. And the zipper feels really good actually. The inner lining feels very soft. So, okay, Puma. I can't rage about that. And then you have like a little cork material type thing. I don't know if I like that actually. But it's cute. It's cute. And then the very front pockets are also very deep. Found it. It is indeed 100% cotton, which is actually kind of nice. Feels quite nice actually, and I do like this little detail here of... Does it have an aglet? It does. Okay. Here's the aglet, and then the part of the string. It's like a cute little pink and blue. I wish it was green actually, like blue and green, because I think it would fit a little bit better with the Animal Crossing theme. But I don't mind this either. It's very, very cute. Let's talk about price for these specifically. We did see that on the tag it says $70, but I paid, I think it was $44. Of course it's gonna be on the screen if I'm incorrect, but I paid like $44.99 or something like that. I definitely like that price a little more for these pants. I would not pay $70. Next item, and it looks like I actually got this one in a large. Okay. Freaking kitty ordering random ass sizes. I don't know what's wrong with me. But this one is the Puma Animal Crossing tee Phantom Black Phantom Noir. So I think this one can go with the joggers. Obviously they're the same color. But that's kind of what I like about this line. A lot of the colors fit together anyway, so it's actually kind of cool in that respect. This is size large, and then this I guess retail price is $35. So let's take a look. Logo is the same as the joggers. Very cute. Again, still wish it was embroidered. The very collar, we have the same. This is so dumb. Do all companies do this? Am I just like not in the know? But like, why can't you just have it go all the way around? It makes it look so much more cleaner. This just looks so tacky to me. Like, y'all really couldn't make it go all the way around? Like, what is this? My goodness. That looks to be about it. There's no designs on the back, but on the sleeve, they do have the little accent here again. I love this. I love this so much. I'm not mad at that. I will never, ever be mad at that. On the back here, we have the same cork Puma Animal Crossing logo. And it's okay. I prefer it actually on the back end of the neck here. Better position than in the pocket over there for the joggers. A little bit awkward over there. I think it fits much better here. So actually, I don't mind it here. We have 70% cotton and 30% polyester. So really, I'm not mad at that. Here's the next item. I actually ended up getting the shorts. They're the Black Noir shorts. Here, let me get the actual tag here. My goodness, look at my sweater. It has like so many fuzzies and stuff and like fur. Puma X Animal Crossing shorts, Phantom Black, Phantom Noir. Extra large size, and it retails for $50 freaking for a pair of shorts. For the shorts at the bottom right short, or I guess left, depending on like whose point of view you're seeing, we have, I think, the cutest design, and it's Timmy and Tommy and Tom Nook with Puma on the side there. I love that it's actually vertical instead of horizontal. And you have two cute little butterflies and a lighthouse. I love this. The shorts are pretty big, but they also feel just as good as the rest of the clothes. And we have the same string here with the blue, black, and pink little string design colors. You know, same thing. Have I shown the tag yet? At the very like right side, you have like a little right next to the pocket. I love these. I feel like you're fine. Like this is a little scavenger hunt, and I actually really like that. Wait, why do you only have one pocket? Is that a thing? Is that a thing that I just don't know of? I don't know. Well, but you have one pocket, and then you have the same cork logo here to the side. I don't know why I didn't frame it like this to begin with. Actually, this looks a lot better. I apologize. That looks so much better. We are here at our final item. It is the most expensive item, and of course that's because it's a hoodie. We have the Animal Crossing X Puma hoodie, Phantom Black, Phantom Noir, and it is retail price of $80. So it's pretty expensive. It does have the little logo here that I really like. I wish it was embroidered. I'm gonna keep saying that. Typically when stuff is like more expensive, I kind of wish that it was embroidered, because when it is, it lasts longer and it's easier to take care of than this here. But here it is, a little all laid out. Actually, this does show it a lot better. I should have done this in the beginning. Here we have the front pocket of the hoodie. You have the other little embroidered leaf there, which I think is super cute. Arguably my favorite design. We have the cork logo here at the very end of the sleeve, and I like it here too. You know what, maybe my issue with the other cork logos is just their positioning. I guess it's not too big of a deal, but you know, it lays flat, so it's gonna look nicer. That's why I like it at the nape of the neck on the other one. The material for this one is 100% cotton. I think that's interesting. Why are some of them polyester and cotton, and some of them just straight up cotton? So they look very good. The price is not it for me. I would not recommend paying full price for these. If you love Animal Crossing and like let's say you're a Puma fanatic and you have the money, yeah, actually go ahead, buy it. Perfect, you know, whatever. The issue is not everyone has that. So if you do want to get maybe like 1 or 2 items, I would get them only when they're on sale. Overall though, I think they look pretty solid. My absolute favorite one has to be the Blue Isabel one. It's a t-shirt. I really thought it was a crew neck, not gonna lie. So that's kind of disappointing, especially because it's getting cold here where I live. But that's okay, I can still layer it, I can still work with it. Not on sale, I would rate this like a 4 out of 10. And the 4 is from the quality and the design. They're still very nice. With the exception of that neck thing. What the hell is that? I don't like that. On sale, I'm gonna give it 7.5 or like an 8. Because on sale, it's like you're buying them for regular. Like what they would regularly retail for. Thank you so much for watching. Go do the YouTube-y things. Go do all that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!